Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive everything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Oh, hello there. So I want to give a shout out to a young lady that called me on Friday. And she said she'd been watching the videos for at least a couple of years. So I just want to give a shout out. I'm quite sure she'll know who I'm speaking about. And just to talk about a little on the subject that we spoke on, which was bidding. Now, this particular company, this young lady that owns this company, was talking about how she had a lower production rate, but she provided really great quality. And so every time she would put the production rate into the software, various softwares, it would come up with the same amount, which was rather low. So if you're using software for bidding, I always implore you to make sure that you put in your experience, put in what you feel your production rate is realistically. When they give you that software estimate, it is just that. It does not sometimes factor in some of the things that you've noticed. If the building is really old, if it's really dense, those are the things that you want to pay attention to, because if you bid too low based on just only kind of paying attention to what the bid is when it comes to the software, you could miss out on a whole lot of money. Why? Because either you're going to end up getting the bid and you can't maintain it, and then you're going to have to start all over. You might run into complications getting out of the contract, and so on and so on and so on and so forth. So make sure that you put in more than just the facts of the figures. Put in your common sense, what you've gone through, your experience. Bidding is an art and a science. Yes, it is about the figures, but you still have to always factor in everything else. And last couple of videos, I went over that. So please make sure you reference some of the other videos. I know that the average production rate is anywhere from 2,000 square feet an hour, and sometimes it could be up to 3,600 square feet an hour. But look at that, factor in everything else. I know I first look at a building that I've done and really looked at how realistic similar buildings it took me personally. So that's what I want you to focus on. Do not just get caught up in the numbers, or you could lose out. So this is something I want to share with you. Now, if you want to learn more about bidding and scaling your business and all the things that I did to build a six-figure cleaning business from scratch, then I would love for you to come to this week's masterclass. It is going to be on Thursday at 8:00 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure that you come, bring your energy, bring your questions. You can even talk about bidding. I am so excited to have you there, but make sure that you at least put the energy in scaling your business to a level that's going to allow you time freedom and financial freedom. So if you're interested in really building a six-figure cleaning business and you're saying, I've just gotten started, I know nothing about it, then make sure you click to register for my free masterclass. We will take you step by step into all of the areas from customer attraction to acquisition, which includes the bidding, to how to keep and retain customers and your employees. So if that sounds like a great fit for you, I would love to see you there. But whatever you do, make sure that you continue to learn all you can about your business, your industry, grow, scale, and retain, but always remember to insert common sense, okay? So like I said, if you're really excited about scaling your business, I'm excited about having you there. Make sure you click to register this Thursday for the free masterclass. And I'm going to go over 3 main areas on how to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. So I look forward to seeing you then. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.